Hello everyone, this is Talve Priya of ECEC. My roll number is 20BQ1A04G6. Today's my seminar topic is about dictionaries. Now let us discuss what is about dictionary. A dictionary represents a group of elements arranged in the form of keys, value pairs. The first element is considered as keys and the immediate next element is considered as values. These keys and values are separated by column. All the keys values pair are inserted in a curly braces. So the dictionaries are represented like this with curly braces with keys and values. This is the dictionary. D is equals to register number, name, branch as key values, keys, and 556 Mothi and CSE are values. We want to print the values, so we use subscript operator. The subscript operator is square brackets. Print D of register number. Here the register number of D is 556, so it prints 556. We want to print name, so here the name is Moti, so it print Moti. We want to print branch, it will print CS. The next one is adding keys and replacing keys. We can add new keys, value or value pairs of a dictionary by using subscript operator. The syntax is as follows. Dictionary key within the subscript we use keys is equal to value. Here we take info as empty dictionary. Where we use info, name Sandy and occupation hacker. We print info, it will print both the name and occupation because we are accessing values. Now adding keys and replacing values. So in dictionary we can change the values, whereas in here the occupation of Sandy is hacker. We want to change the occupation from hacker to manage. We want so within we use info occupation manage. It will print the hacker is changes to manage. Accessing values. We can also access values using subscript to obtain the values associated with a key. However, if key is not present in the dictionary, Python rises to an exception. Here are some examples using info dictionary which was set up early. Info name Sandy. Info job here the job is not mentioned in this dictionary, so it will print an error. So to avoid these problems, we have get method. What is this get method? A far easier strategy is to use method get. This method accepts two arguments, a possible key and a default values. If the key is present in the dictionary, the associated values return. However, the key is absent in the dictionary, default value is passed. To get is returned. Hence, here is an example. Print info get job. Here the job is not present, so it will print none. If we ask print info dot get name, it will print dot get. In this we place name and here we place none, so it print name of this is Sandy, so it will print Sandy. If the key value is present, it will print values. If that is not present, it prints none. Next, the removing of keys. We here to delete the entry of dictionary, one removes keys by using pop method. This method accepts a key and optional default values as argument. If the key is in the dictionary, it is removed. Associated with the other default values is removed. If the pop is used just one argument and these keys is absent from the dictionary, Python raises an exemption. Removing of keys. Here now we want to remove job as none. Here the job is not present, so it prints none. If you want to remove the old occupation, it will pop the manager and we print info. It will print only name Sandy. In dictionary methods, we have length. It will print length. It will returns the number of entries in the dictionary. Next, D of key. Used interesting new keys, replacing a values, obtain a values of existing keys. D dot get. We discussed before. If the keys is present, it will return the values. If the keys does not present, it prints none. D dot pop. This also like that. List of keys. It will print only keys. List of D dot values. It will print only values. List of D of items. Here the items is keys and values. So it will print both keys and values. D dot clear. It will remove all the keys. For key in D, keys is bounded in each D unspecified order. Now let us look into small examples of this dictionary. Now let us take dictionary as student name and roll number. Within type of the student is class dictionary. If we want to access some values, so using subscript operator we can access the values. So we can access student branch EC and address. If we print the student, we get the branch and address including in it. If we want to print marks of a student which is not present in this dictionary, so it will give an error. To avoid this problem, we get method. If these keys are present, it gives it prints values. If that is not present, it gives none. Here we want to print marks, so which is not present in this dictionary, so it will print none. If we want to print student name, name is present in this dictionary as Priya, so it prints values Priya. If we want to pop something from this dictionary, we use pop delete. So we want to delete an address of address. Here the address is present as Guntur. It will print as Guntur. If we want to print student, it will use without address. We want to change the name. We want to change the values in the dictionary by using student name is equal to Navya. So then we get name Navya and remaining are as it is. This is about dictionary. These are few examples on dictionary. Thank you, Anand.